Hot Wire Foam Factory family. I am Miriam of Miriam's Manor on YouTube, and today I wanted to take a quick moment and share with you one of my two favorite tools from Hot Wire Foam Factory. And one of them today would be the 3-inch hot knife. I absolutely love this knife. Like I said, it's one of my favorite tools. So if you're navigating through the website and you're really not sure what to buy, if you're just getting started, I would suggest the 3-inch hot knife. The reason is this knife gets the hottest out of any of the other knives that I've used. It also has a super fine tip. Look at how fine that tip is. Now, Hot Wire Foam Factory does have an engraver tool that you can use like a pen to carve brick pathways and cobblestone pathways and things like that. But I actually prefer to use my 3-inch hot knife, and I'll pop some pictures up on the screen to show you why. Because this blade is so fine, it gives me the super thinnest lines when I'm making bricks, when I'm carving cobblestone, and I just love the finished product of how my pathways turn out when I use this knife. I also love this knife to dig tunnels. It's long enough to go all the way through my 2-inch styrofoam boards. And it's not super long where it becomes kind of cumbersome to work with. I can still kind of use this like a pen and almost write in the styrofoam with it. So it is one of my favorite tools. I absolutely love it. One of the other things that I want to show you guys how to clean your tools, because you never want to take your dry cloth and start at the bottom and move upward. You can end up dislodging your blade from this base unit and damage your tool. Instead, what you want to do is start at the top and gently wipe down while the blade is still hot, and all of the gunk will easily be removed so that you preserve your tools for years to come. So I hope that has helped you. If you guys want to check me out, head on over to YouTube under Miriam's Manor, and you can see tons of tutorials that I've put together using these tools. Take care and bye for now.